Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to scrape TikTok comments from a video and turn them into a spreadsheet in 1 minute. This is useful when you want to analyze audience feedback, questions, sentiment, or content ideas from the comment section. First, open the TikTok video you want to analyze and make sure the comments are visible on the page. Next, open Thunderbit from your Chrome extension. If you haven't installed it yet, you can add it from the Chrome Web Store. This is the AI web scraper we'll use. Choose the TikTok comment source, then click Next. This brings us to the pagination setup. For this demo, we'll choose no pagination to keep the workflow simple. You can also choose AI Auto Detect if you want Thunderbit to identify the pagination automatically. Next, select Pre-Built Scraper and choose the TikTok Post Comments template. This template includes fields like commenter name, profile link, comment text, likes, time posted, replies, and more. Then choose Max Rows per Run. The default is 100, but you can adjust it to the number you want, up to a limit of 1,000. If the setup looks good, hit Run Now and let Thunderbit collect the comment data for you. Once the task is finished, open the result table. And there you are, a clean, organized spreadsheet with all the information you need. You can export the data to Excel, CSV, or JSON. From there, you can use it for audience research, sentiment analysis, content planning, competitive analysis, and more. Follow for more AI web scraping tutorials. See you next video.